future scientists! Welcome back to another exciting journey into the wonders of the human body. Ever wonder how your body stays healthy and fights off those nasty bugs? It's like a fortress, always defending itself against invaders. From the air we breathe to the food we eat, we encounter tiny invaders called germs every single day. But don't worry, our bodies have a secret weapon: the immune system. This complex network is always on guard. This incredible defense system works 24/7, tirelessly, to keep us healthy and safe. Think of your immune system as a team of superheroes, always on the lookout for trouble and ready to spring into action. They patrol our bodies, searching for anything that doesn't belong, like a vigilant security team. These microscopic heroes are tough and relentless. They fight off bad guys like bacteria and viruses, stopping them from making us sick and ensuring we stay healthy. The immune system is a powerful force, much like a well-trained athlete, always ready for action. It remembers past enemies and knows exactly how to fight them again, making it smarter with each encounter. That's why once you've had certain illnesses, like chickenpox, you usually don't get them again. How cool is that? It's like having a personal bodyguard with a perfect memory. Remember, our bodies are amazing, and the immune system is one of the most important parts. It's a marvel of nature. So next time you stay healthy, give yourself a high five for having such an awesome defense team on your side. Let's meet our microscopic heroes, the white blood cells. These tiny warriors are essential for our survival. They're like the soldiers of the immune system, always on the lookout for invaders. There are different types of white blood cells, each with a special job to do. They all work together to protect us from infections and diseases. First up, we have the neutrophils. These are the most common type of white blood cell. Think of them as the frontline soldiers, always ready to fight. They are the first responders to any sign of trouble. They patrol the bloodstream, looking for any signs of trouble. Their main job is to find and destroy bacteria and other pathogens. When they find an enemy, like a bacteria, they surround it and destroy it. They are incredibly efficient at their job. Next, we have the macrophages. These cells are larger and have a different role. These guys are like the garbage trucks of the immune system. They clean up the mess left behind by other cells. They gobble up anything that doesn't belong, like dead cells and debris. This helps to keep our tissues healthy. They keep our bodies clean and free of clutter. Without them, our bodies would be overwhelmed with waste. Now let's meet the lymphocytes. These cells are crucial for our adaptive immune response. These are the special forces of the immune system. They are highly specialized and target specific threats. There are two main types: B cells and T cells. Each has a unique function in the immune response. B cells are like the snipers, producing antibodies that lock onto specific enemies and mark them for destruction. They are precise and deadly. T cells are like the hand-to-hand combatants, directly attacking and destroying infected cells. They are the last line of defense. Together, these white blood cells form an incredible team, always working to keep us safe from harm. Their coordinated efforts ensure that our bodies remain healthy and free from infections. Just like superheroes need training, our white blood cells need to be prepared for battle. These tiny warriors are our body's first line of defense against infections and diseases. But where do they learn all their amazing skills? How do they become so adept at protecting us? They go to boot camp, of course. Just like soldiers, they undergo rigorous training to be ready for any threat. For our immune cells, boot camp is located in different parts of the body. Each location has a unique role in training these cells. One important training ground is the bone marrow. This spongy tissue inside our bones is where the journey begins for many of our immune cells. It's like a factory inside our bones that produces most of our white blood cells. Here, the raw materials are transformed into specialized defenders. Stem cells, the building blocks of our blood, live in the bone marrow. These versatile cells have the potential to become various types of blood cells. They divide and grow, transforming into different types of blood cells, including our immune system heroes. This process ensures a steady supply of new recruits. Another important training facility is the thymus. This organ plays a crucial role in the development of T cells. This small organ, located behind the breastbone, is like a school for T cells. Here they learn to distinguish between friend and foe. In the thymus, T cells learn to recognize and attack specific enemies without harming our own body's cells. This precision is vital for effective immune responses. It's a crucial part of their training. Without this education, T cells wouldn't be able to protect us as effectively. Once trained, our white blood cells are ready to deploy throughout the body, patrolling our blood, tissues, and organs. They are always on the lookout for potential threats. They stand guard, always alert for any signs of danger, ready to defend us from the constant barrage of germs and invaders. Their vigilance keeps us healthy and safe.